Let's start the video. Please wait a few seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Then we are going to start new video. In this video we will discuss how to create this step trendy editing with the Polish app, step by step, full guide for beginner. Then open Polish editor app, download, Play Store this app. Then apply all colorful layers. You can apply amazing lyrics and magic colorful layers for free. Watch video until the end, like video, subscribe video, share my video, and other friends, and like and subscribe my channel.